Learn how to cut textured micro bangs with face framing. Perfect to combine with your shag or bob haircuts. We zone the fringe area from the highest point of the forehead to the recession on both sides. We take a section that follows the hairline. We elevate 90 degrees from base, following the head shape, cutting a round layer. This will create a very soft edge. Our second section is directed forward over the face, extending the guide over the first section. This will increase weight while also creating more texture and softness in the line. The third section is elevated 90 degrees straight up, cutting a square layer, increasing the length over each section. This will create a heavy fringe with a super soft textured line, perfect for clients who want a heavy bang but also want a very soft textured chewy line. I direct the last section over the fringe, keeping a higher elevation to maintain a soft line. I complete the fringe with point cutting into the perimeter to add more texture. Using a feather razor, I cut half diamonds or points in the face frame, taking weight from underneath and on top of each section. Every new section, the guide is cut longer than the previous, increasing length with every new section. You can use the lips or chin as your guide, whatever part of the face you want to complement or create width. I'm using my razor to remove bulk and to increase texture and movement in each section, working up the head shape. We continue this process, working up until we complete this section. The fringe and face framing can be cut at any length. The longer the length, the result will look softer. The shorter the length, the edgier it will look. This is my must-know micro bangs tutorial. Let me know in the comments what you think and what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and be sure to watch this tutorial next.